Welcome to our NEPARTAK channel. Here is Dolores speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. LED solar garden/outdoor street light, light control radar, with remote control black shell. Let's start to introduce product related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website NEPARTAK.com. Sufficient reasons provide here for your selection of this 250W576 LED solar garden/outdoor street light. You will no longer worry about searching or walking in the darkness. It firstly catches your attention by its great environmental protection and low power consumption. It could send out bright light, no UV, no radiation. Quick and easy to install anywhere in the yard or on the side of a building, tolerating the rain well, lightweight, and simple wire. High-quality goods deserve reasonable price and wide attention. Come on. Features. 1. New and high quality. 2. Can be used for a long time. 3. High brightness, even light, longer lasting. 3. Easy installation, dust-tight and protected from rain and water jets. 5. Great for public buildings, including hospitals, universities and schools. Specifications. 1. Dimensions. 24.41 x 9.06 x 1.97, / 62 x 23 x 5, cm, LXWXH. 2. Weight, 6.92 pounds / 3.14 kilograms. 3. Material, ABS solar panel. 4. Luminous color, white light. 5. Lamp beads, 576 LED. 6. Battery model, 32650. 7. Battery voltage V, 3.2. 8. Battery capacity mAh, 10 Ah. 9. Packing rate, 6. 10. FCL weight, 41.56 pounds / 18.85 kilograms. Package includes 1X lamp body, 1X remote control, 1X manual. The video are introducing parts of highlights features of the product. If you want detail info, please reach our website. About NEPARTAK. Shop from a great collection of indoor lighting and outdoor light, commercial lighting, at http://www.nepartaking.com. Our store offers ceiling light, floor lamp, pendant lights and chandelier, table lamp, wall light, night lamp, down lights, LED bulb, office light, panel light, track light, UV light, flood light, garden light, LED strip light, solar light, street light, wall washer light, and more. NEPARTAK is a professional store for light and home improving and decoration light products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, NEPARTAK can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via DoloresJMoniz12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.